Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some doggy toothbrushes. My little dog decided not to join us for this particular one here, so she's going to miss out on getting her teeth brushed at this moment. But I'll show you guys what you get in here. So this one here is a nice wide toothbrush with a big old triangle for a big dog. This one here would be a nice small one to get in the back. So there you get that one. We've got this one here, which it looks like almost a human toothbrush, but it's got, let's see if I can open this up. It's got like a billions of little bristles. I don't know if you can see if it's going to focus in on it, but it's got billions of tiny little thin bristles is what it has here. So that one's got that. So that one's really a soft one. They should make human ones like that. That one's really nice. Okay, then we have this here, which is an interesting one, which is kind of what I got it for. But look at this one here. It's got three brushes. It's got the one coming up, and then it's got the two sides. So you can just do like one swipe through like that, and it's going to get the backs, the front, and the bottom. They should make these for little kids. They probably do. But so that's that tooth, but it's got a pretty good firm bristles on that one. It looks like we have a second one of those. Might be a different color, maybe. It feels like it's the same thing, just a different color there. Slightly different. We have this one here, which is got a lot of fuzz on it for some reason right now. That one there, so it's got a bunch of different bristles and stuff going on that one. Is this going to focus? I don't know. There, you can kind of see it. It's got a lot of different irregular shaped bristles, so that would be good to get some area, maybe gums or something. And then it came with 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. I'm not going to show you each one because they're all the same, but these are the ones that you put on your finger, and then you can stick your hand inside their mouth to brush it with that. You can kind of see it's got just the rubber silicone bristles. It was probably all molded. It's probably all the same material as this. So probably some sort of TPU. So that's it to clean your doggy's teeth. I don't have any toothpaste yet. I got that coming, but this is how we'll use it. So how cool is that? So it comes with all these ones here. So you have all your different stages of life for your little puppy's teeth. And seems cool to me. Thumbs up.